Hi family, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. Make sure you subscribe and be part of this family. For my returning, I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm back with another delicious, quick and easy recipe. Hope you guys enjoy watching, and if you do, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up. Okay, in here we got 300 grams of boneless chicken, which I wash and cut in small cubes. We're going to marinate it. So I add half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, some salt to taste, and I'm gonna add half teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm gonna add half teaspoon of coriander powder, and I'm going to add also a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now I'm going to combine everything well, and I'm going to cover and let it sit for about 30 minutes while I'm preparing the other ingredients. Okay, in this pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of potato. So this is the size which you have to cut your potato, not too big piece, just a medium. And I'm gonna add half cup of sliced carrots. I'm going to cover and I'm gonna boil this for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's after 10 minutes now, and I'm going to remove the pot from the flame. The potato is half done, it's not completely done, don't have to be completely done. So yeah, I set that aside and I bring another pot where I'm going to add some oil, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna fry the chicken in both sides until it's light golden. Okay, the chicken is done. Now I'm gonna remove from the pan, and in the same oil I'm gonna add half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. And at this point, if you see the oil is too much, you can remove some and leave it just a little bit. Yeah, I didn't remove because I want it like that. So yeah, this is half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm gonna fry it for about 1 minute until it's golden. And I'm adding a medium chopped onion. I'm gonna fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's soft. Our onion is done, so now I'm gonna add a fried chicken. I'm gonna add the potato and carrots which we boiled earlier, and I'm adding also half cup of green pepper. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chicken spice, and you can add any type of spice which you think is gonna be nice in your curry or yeah. So now I'm adding some salt. This is aromat. If you don't have aromat, you can just go straight with the salt. Yeah, so now in this cup of water I'm adding a teaspoon of minestrone soup. If you don't have minestrone soup, you can add a half teaspoon of cornstarch in that water, mix it and pour in the chicken just to thicken the sauce. Yeah, so now I add 1 more cup, guys. I add 1 more cup of water, so it's total 2 cups of water. I'm gonna let it boil. Once it start boiling, I'm gonna slow the flame and cover again and steam it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our chicken is done. Yeah, you can serve with pap, you can serve with chicken or with rice, or you can eat with chapati or bread. It's really, really, really yummy. It's delicious, you guys. So thank you all for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share, and if you try this recipe, come back and say something about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Allah Hafiz.